Harvest is an important time for farmers, especially those who cultivate row crops. I recently spent a few hours with peanut farmer Kirk Jones in Isle of Wight County to find out what his day is like during the busiest time of the year.
Look, my mom has got to get lunch. Do you like something?
Kirk Jones is from a family that offers visitors a meal during the workday, a working lunch purchased from a local establishment in their Isle of Wight community.
You're out here, my mama's going to feed you, I can guarantee you that.
Since he's in charge, we can call him Captain Kirk, the sixth generation of his family to farm in Isle of Wight County. The rest of his crew consists of his father, a cousin who operates the other combine, a hired hand named Jimmy, and a high school student interested in farming. On some days, Kirk's mother also helps drive the combine.
How does this year look, the harvest so far?
It's kind of all over the place. I thought this farm up here would have been a little bit better, but by the rainfall that we had. It delayed them a little bit, but it helped us in the long run. We're itching to start and itching to get going, but it softened up the ground, so we didn't have a whole lot of digger points burn up.
If the field had been drier and the ground harder, the digger points, which are used to cut and scoop the peanuts from the surface, could be damaged beyond repair, forcing Captain Kirk and his crew to lose valuable time repairing or replacing them, time that could be spent pulling peanuts from the ground. After years of farming together, Kirk and his father developed a bond beyond words.
Everybody said, when me and my dad used to pick cotton together, me and him never talked on the radio.
Okay.
I knew what he was thinking, he knew what I was thinking. Mom said it was the most amazing thing. It looked like a ballet.
During harvest, they aim to dig out 50 acres of peanuts a day. Once the bin is full, the peanuts are sent through this conveyor to a tractor pulling a receiving bin. One of the chief benefits of doing this is the time it saves. It allows Jones to keep digging while the two receiving bins take the peanuts to a trailer. Once the field is cleared or the trailer is full, they're taken to Birdsong Peanuts in Suffolk, where they are washed. The economic impact of peanuts in Virginia is significant. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Virginia farmers anticipate harvesting 133 million pounds of peanuts in 2023, a 6% increase from the previous year. 29,000 acres of peanuts are expected to be harvested, a year-to-year increase of 1,000 acres. A yield of 4,600 pounds of peanuts is expected per acre, up 100 pounds from last year. That sounds like a lot of work, and it is, but Captain Kirk says it shouldn't be intimidating. In 2020, he was recognized with the Peanut Efficiency Award by his peers for using environmentally friendly production techniques and careful use of crop protectants. He aims to farm smarter, not harder.
Farming is not a hard job. Farming is very mind-intensive now. It's not like it was back when my granddad was doing it behind a mule or, having to work, a lot of people with small equipment. I mean, it's not what it used to be. If everything's working right, I'll sit at this tractor from 9 o'clock in the morning till lunchtime. As long as everything's running right, I'm sitting on my tail all day long. I mean, farming is just 90% mental. I mean, it really is.
Virginia peanuts are ideal for baseball, and they're the kind of peanuts you'll find at a professional baseball game. Runner-style peanuts are also grown in Virginia, but they're more commonly used in peanut butter and candies. Virginia peanuts have a tradition beyond the national pastime. They're also popular holiday gifts.
Peanuts to me are like Christmas. You have a box sitting underneath the tree for a month. They try to guess what's in that box. Just can't ever figure it out until Christmas morning. You come out here and flip these peanuts. It's like Christmas morning.
The countdown to Christmas morning is already underway, and Captain Kirk and his crew are pushing hard through harvest season to bring this tasty, healthy snack to us all. In Isle of Wight County, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.